Hey guys, in this video I'll be mentioning some of the best upcoming 5G rugged phones of 2024. Now have in mind that the release date of these devices are yet to be revealed, but they are expected to launch before the end of the year. In this video I'll be mentioning just 3, and once I get more details about other 5G rugged phones that are yet to be released, I'll definitely post an update video. So without further ado, let's quickly explore the upcoming 5G rugged devices. According to the details, the Armor 28 Ultra will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus. For those of you that are not aware, the 9300 Plus is MediaTek's most powerful mobile processor. It's literally on par with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, guys. To give you a clue of how powerful this processor is, its Antutu benchmark score is over 2 million, and the processor supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4. It has a clock speed of up to 3.4 GHz. The processor is also capable of recording 8K videos at 30 FPS and 4K videos at up to 60 FPS. So these are just some of the top details of the mobile processor. If the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra happens to be powered by this processor, the Armor 28 Ultra might be very expensive than many other 5G rugged phones. But the fact is, the Armor 28 Ultra will be the most powerful 5G rugged phone. Other features includes a 6.67-inch AMOLED 120Hz display. The device also has a circular rear display. It ships with the latest Android 14. It utilizes 16GB RAM and it has 512GB internal storage. In terms of optics, it features a quad rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor, a 64MP night vision sensor, a 50MP ultra wide angle lens, and a thermal camera by thermal view. And its front facing camera is 50MP. The device is military grade standard 810H certified, and it is IP68 and IP69K compliant, which is expected because it's a rugged phone. The device also packs a 10,600 mAh battery, and it supports 120 watts wired charging as well as 50 watts wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Other features includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, which is insane, NFC, and so on, guys. So these are just some of the top features of the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra. Once I get more details about the other models in the Armor 28 series, I'll definitely share with you guys. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts about the Armor 28 Ultra. Hey guys, so Doogee has finally announced the Doogee V40 Pro, which is a rugged smartphone that packs a punch in terms of performance, camera capabilities, and battery life. This device is built to withstand the toughest conditions, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and anyone who needs a phone that can take a beating. The Doogee V40 Pro is a rugged phone, so literally rugged phones are usually designed to be much more durable than standard devices. Anyway, the V40 Pro is not as powerful as the upcoming Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra, but we cannot actually conclude that for now because the Armor 28 Ultra is yet to be released. Anyway, the V40 Pro is also not Doogee's most powerful rugged phone. The Doogee DK10 still holds that title. It's Doogee's most powerful 5G rugged phone. When it comes to performance, it's much more powerful than the Doogee V40 Pro, but the V40 Pro is also a Doogee device to feature Doogee AI. Now, while this device may be the first to have Doogee AI, it's not going to be the last. I believe that future Doogee devices, both rugged and standard devices, would all have Doogee AI, but the AI is going to be exclusive to Doogee devices only. Now, according to the details, the Doogee AI will come with AI call recording and AI text assistant. I believe that there will be more things that the AI will be able to do, but we won't be able to say that for now until the Doogee V40 Pro is released. Anyway, as regarding the specs of the V40 Pro, the device would feature a quad rear camera setup led by a 200MP primary sensor, followed by a 20MP night vision camera, an 8MP ultra wide angle lens, and an 8MP telephoto lens, and its front facing camera is 32MP. The device is powered by the Dimensity 7300 4nm octa-core processor, which means this device is going to be a 5G device, and it also packs a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD punch hole display with a 120Hz refresh rate and the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Additionally, the phone utilizes 16GB RAM and it has 512GB onboard storage. The device also boots the stock version of Android 14, which is impressive. And additionally, the device would pack a massive 8680 mAh battery and would support 33 watts fast charging. Finally, the phone is IP68 and IP69K compliant. It is also military grade standard 18H certified. So there we go, guys. So the Cubot KingKong Star 2 is a rugged smartphone that doesn't compromise on performance or features. Powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 200 octa-core processor, backed by an Antutu benchmark score exceeding 900,000. It is designed to deliver impressive speed and responsiveness. The phone utilizes 12 GB of RAM and it has 256 GB storage to ensure smooth multitasking and ample space for your apps and files. The device features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display and boasts a high 144Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass for durability. The standout feature is the customizable rear display, allowing you to personalize your phone's appearance with unique patterns, animations, or even notifications. Fueling the device is a substantial 5100 mAh battery that supports 33 watts fast charging, ensuring you stay powered up throughout the day. Also, the KingKong Star 2 runs on the latest Android 14 operating system, offering a clean and intuitive user interface with the latest features. In terms of optics, the KingKong Star 2 packs a powerful 100MP main rear camera capable of capturing stunning photos and videos. The 32MP selfie camera ensures you look your best in self-portraits. The specs of the other cameras at the back are not disclosed, but I'm expecting the device to feature a night vision camera as well. Now, built to withstand the elements, the KingKong Star 2 is IP68 and IP69K rated for dust and water resistance, and it also meets the military grade standard 18H certification for durability. So connectivity options includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, OTG, NFC, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and facial recognition for added security. Now, while the dimensions of the KingKong Star 2 are currently unknown, it is designed to be slim and lightweight, making it comfortable to hold and use. So these are the top features of the Cubot KingKong Star 2. Overall, it's a compelling rugged smartphone that offers a powerful performance, customizable features, and a durable build. And it's going to be very, very affordable when it's available. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts about the Cubot KingKong Star 2 in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.